Hey folks, how's it going? Hello and welcome to Speed Photography Volume 2. So the other day I had to go into B&H to return a pair of gloves, and I figured why not put on the old 40mm, go do some speed photography. I had my black mist filter on again. I stopped my aperture again all the way down to f2. What else? Shutter speed, I kind of play with that a little bit, kind of from 150 to 250, thereabouts, and then I went auto ISO and I just let that do whatever it needed to do. Being that it was Herald Square, as always, is crazy busy. It didn't go quite the plan as I had hoped, but I still got some shots. So there's one or two of them I'll talk a little bit about, but it'll just be mostly a POV style video. Hope you enjoy. So the first one that's coming up here, pretty much as soon as I got off the train, I just saw one of our classic New York food carts, and there was two people standing at it, and it was something I noticed in the image, and I'll give you a second, you can have a guess what that might have been. And I just thought it was pretty cool. Again, nothing spectacular by any means, but I thought it was a fun start to the day. And then obviously being Herald Square, the Empire State Building is right there, so I had to take the obligatory shot for that. As you can see, lots of people around, lots of snow still hanging around the sidewalks. And this lady, yes, I realise she's not quite in focus, but I still like how it turned out. So that's it, short and sweet. I got some shots I think are okay. I got a lot of shots that were big misses, because obviously, as I said, I'm walking along and I'm just guessing the composition for 90% of it. But yeah, fun times. I just gotta go out now and do it in daytime. See how that works out, and see if the camera performs any better with the autofocus. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Alright folks, see you again. Bye bye.